The same concept of health applies to a Enagic human-based network of distributors. The compensation plan has been set up to encourage every distributor to help each other, much like a network of family and friends, which has been paramount in enabling higher compensations payouts for distributors. Unlike pyramid marketing and other unfair marketing scams, Enagic has implemented a way for anybody to climb the ranks and increasing their earning potential at their own pace based on selling performance alone. It is possible to jump several ranks at one time, provided that you make sales and follow the system. As you move up in the rank, the more earning points you receive, which means higher returns for you to enjoy. When a distributor makes the minimum required number of sales to warrant compensation, a check is cut promptly and sent out. It's that easy.